Okay, who's this?
Joe Mama Obama next.
Okay. This guy.
Leopard paw. I don't know.
Okay. This guy.
Roar! Star.
What's wrong with you?
I don't
Are
know.
you okay? Do you need help? Are you sure? Okay. Who's this?
Looked like Kesto to me. But it's Murka.
It's not your cats.
Fuck. Oh.
Okay, so
grey shit.
okay. You've seen her with Firepaw.
Oh, the yellow fang.
Yeah. This guy. I don't think you know him.
Crying shit. I mean, a crying paw.
Okay, but it's a deputy.
Crying claw.
Okay. He was the dead dude.
Half shit claw.
Stop saying that word.
Tiger claw.
Correct.
Yay.
This is one of his minions.
Somebody from the Shadow Clan, I don't know.
Okay. Now let's do the answers. This is Dustpaw.
Oh, I know that.
This is Sandpaw.
Oh, I also know that.
Oh, sure. Broken Star.
I also know Shadow Clan's leader. So
Yes.
yeah, I also know that.
You were correct with this one.
Yay.
Oakheart.
Who is it?
Blue Star's lover.
Okay.
Red Tail.
Yeah, that's the guy that rock fell on. Yeah.
No, Brock fell on Oakheart, but this guy was killed by Tiger Claw.
Fuck him.
Language. Okay, you were correct with this one. This is Darkstripe.
Does it look like I know?
Yeah, exactly. You're a very good genius.